Hey guys, I'm Brent. Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today we're going to be talking about the lease on our body. A few years back, I actually leased a car. Now, there are a lot of people who love leasing a car. One of the reasons people love leasing a car is because after you're done with the car, the best part is you can simply turn it back into the owner, which is the dealership, and then get a new car. Well, I can give you 1,283 reasons why you should not lease a car. The reason why I have that many reasons is because that's how much I had to pay the owner, the dealership, at the end of my lease. You see, the problem was I put too many miles on the car. There was also a ding or two on the body of the car. Now, had I owned the car, both the miles and the dings would have been okay because it's my car. But the car didn't actually belong to me. It was owned by somebody else. And by putting too many miles on the car and a ding or two, I failed to honor our agreement. It's a very similar agreement that Paul describes in 1 Corinthians 6:19-20 as it relates to our physical bodies. Here's what Paul has to say. He says, "Don't you realize that your body is the temple of the Holy Spirit who lives in you and was given to you by God? You do not belong to yourself. For God bought you with a high price, so you must honor God with your body." Here's the reality. If you're a Christian, you're not actually the owner of your body. God is. You're just leasing it. The moment you got saved, the Holy Spirit said, "That's my crib." And if you don't know what crib means, it's simply slang for house. You and I must realize, as Paul says, our lives no longer belong to us. If Paul was speaking today, he would simply say, your life is not Burger King and you cannot have it your way. The reality is that Jesus paid a high price. The price he paid was his death. And with his death, he purchased our salvation. The least we can do is honor God with our bodies. One of the ways we can honor God with our bodies is by refraining from sexual immorality. I encourage you to look at this passage in its entirety. You'll discover that Paul spends a lot of time talking about sexual sin. Another way that we can honor our bodies is by making sure that we physically take care of our bodies. The truth of the matter is that our body is a physical temple. It is a house for the Holy Spirit, and it's where the Holy Spirit dwells. As a result, we should strive to eat right and we should strive to exercise. As a believer, our bodies are on lease. The good news is the owner, God, has already made the payments on the lease agreement. Let's honor him by taking care of our body, which is his temple.